mission from Mr.X. Let's check the answers together. 今日は答え合わせ一緒にやっていきますよ。Wait! What? The mission is not finished yet? まだミッションが終わっていない？どういうことでしょうか？なんと追加の最後のミッションがあるみたいなんです。最後のミッションはこの動画の後半にありますので、飛ばす人はそこまで飛ばして、最後のミッションやってみてください。でも、まずは Day 1からの答え合わせいきましょう。Are you ready? Let's check! Day 1. Where are my sunglasses? They are on the box. They are on the box. この時に on, in, under, by, in, front of, or behind このお歌が思い浮かんだ人は前置詞がもうバッチリです。ということで on is the answer. On. Good job. Now, answer to day 2. What does this king love? This king loves kiwi fruits. The king loves kiwi fruits and always keeps them in a safe. この絵を見てパッとストーリーが思い浮かんだ人はフォニックスの動画を見てくれた人かなと思います。Very, very good job. So, please write kiwi right here. Kiwi is the answer. Good job. Day 3. What is the answer? これはちょっと難しかったと思います。それぞれの名前を思い浮かべれば答えが出ましたね。Watermelon, watermelon. Starfish, starfish. Seahorse, seahorse. Hot dog, hot dog. So, acorn, acorn, acorn. So, the answer is acorn. The answer is acorn. Good job. Next, day 4. What animal fits in the box? これはフォニックスチャンツを思い浮かべればわかりましたね。Bee is buzzing. Zzz. Angry dog. Seal is happy. So, E is ink on the mouse. E. Excellent. So, the answer is mouse. Mouse. Please write mouse. Mouse was the answer. Good job. Now day 5. What fits in the blank? What fits in the blank? Pig digs a fig and puts on a on a wig. Wig was the answer. ライミングチャンツの動画を見てくれていた人はすぐにわかったかもしれません。So, the answer is wig. Please write wig right here. Next, day 6. What is 〇〇? 上の段には〇〇がある。下の段には〇〇がない。Yellowtail, blueberry, brownie, and pinky finger has 〇〇. Salmon, raspberry, cheesecake, and thumb doesn't have. これは名前をよく見れば気づいた人がいたと思います。Yellow, blue, brown, and pink. Color. So, the answer is color. Very, very good job. Okay. 2 more. Day 7. Solve the problem. 1 plus 2 equals shoe. 3 plus 4 equals door. 5 plus 6 equals sticks. 7 plus 8 equals straight. 9 plus 10 equals これはマザーグース One, two, buckle my shoe この動画を見ていた人はすぐにわかったかもしれません。One, two, buckle my shoe 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. So, hen is the answer. Hen was the answer. Hen right here. Good job. Now, day 8, the hardest question. What kind of stores are these? これはとっても難しかったと思います。How many 11s? And what flag is this? そう。How many 11s? There are 7 of 11s. 7 of 11s. And this is what a Sierra Leone flag looks like. It looks like Family Mart. So, 7-Eleven and Family Mart. What kind of stores are these? Yes, convenience store. Convenience store. So, the answer is convenience. Convenience. とっても長くて難しい言葉でした。Very, very good job. Now you have completed the crossword puzzle. You have all the letters to make the secret code. シークレットコードを解くことがもうできますね。さあ、what is the secret code? M-A-C-H-I-K-O. Finally, you know! The secret code is Machiko! Well done, all of you! Uh-oh, but wait! There is one last mission to solve. もう一つ、本当に最後のミッションが残っています。では、ここから出題していきますね。The mission is not finished yet. The real mission is this story. Listen. Once in Alphaland, all the letters were friends. A was amazing, and K was kind. One day, they got a letter from a friend in Numberland. He was asking for A and K's help. A and K said goodbye to Alphaland. They decided to leave Alphaland to help their friend in Numberland. Goodbye, A. Goodbye, K. So, that means... Now you can solve the real secret code. What are the left letters? And unscramble them. 残った文字を並び替えると The real secret code is Mr.X's favorite food. 本当のシークレットコードは実は Mr.X の大好物でした。答えはあえて言いません。皆さんぜひ教えてください。Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the mission from Mr.X 2024. Maybe Mr.X will be back next year. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. See you. Bye.
I'll be back.
2024年もよろしくお願いします。